What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I think it's time to start this project I've been putting off for a long time. The transmission's coming out of this thing. I think I've told you guys that before. The transmission's coming out. We're getting a new clutch. The transmission's actually going to Super Stick down in Texas. I've been talking to Cody and talked to them a few times. They got it all taken care of. It's going to actually be really cool. They're going to do some really trick things to this transmission to make it better. It's going to last longer, you know, all that good stuff. It's going to ship like a dream. And then the clutch, I got to give I Build My Diesel a huge shout out for helping me get my hands on that clutch. That's going to be really cool. Show you guys what it is when it comes in. It's not a South Bend, it's not a Blair, so some of you guys might already know. So I'm going to jump right into it. There's a lot to do here. Got to get the training out. I got to get it ready to go Monday morning. It's got to go on the truck, on the freight. So I need to get it ready to go. I need to get it out, get it on a pallet, get all that stuff. I can figure out how to muscle that thing around by myself. So we're going to get right into it today. Set you on time lapse. We're going to get down there. Now, I will say really quick, there's a lot of oil leaks. Rear main seal is getting replaced while the transmission's out. That needs done. For some reason, the transfer case output shaft seal, changed it a couple times, can't get it to seal. So I think another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to find a clock ring kit for the transfer case. That'll bring the transfer case back a little bit. We'll clock it down to that front drive shaft where it needs to be. It doesn't have one, it needs one. So we're going to look into that. You know, there's a lot of things, a lot of oil down there, grease the hell out of the E-joints all the time. You know, it's messy. I realize that. We're going to clean it up. But for now, let's just set you up on a time lapse. Let's get this thing out of here and get on with our day. So, here we go. Well, guys, I think so far so good, right? We got the front drive shaft off, we got the back drive shaft off. Just drained the transfer case. I think we're going to work on getting the transfer case out next. I've been kind of out here tooling on things all day, so let's rip the transfer case off and then see where we get from there. I think tonight, that's probably where I'm going to stop. You're gonna see everything come out in this video. Don't worry about that. But that will be tomorrow. But for now, let's finish strong. Get this transfer case out of here, so we don't have to worry about that tomorrow. All we have to do would be to get the transmission on the ground and hopefully not kill ourselves in the process. So let's get that done and see where we get. Alright, last bolt on the transfer case. Get this thing down on the ground. I have to remember to be smart. This is not. Get somebody to help you. Use a jack or something. This is dumb. These things are not light. But what do you get? What do you expect? Let's see if we can't get it on the ground without messing ourselves up here. down on the ground. I think we're gonna pick this up tomorrow. So we'll fast forward tomorrow for you guys. Won't be so long for me. Might be a couple minutes. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I did not expect it to come down that easy. That's actually not that bad. These things look intimidating, but after looking online, they run right about 200, 220, 200, maybe 240 pounds empty. So yeah, sorry I'm a little out of breath, but she's down, she's out. The only thing I have left to do, which I'm not gonna bore you guys with after I catch my breath, sorry, is gonna strap it to the pallet and take it, drop it off to get shipped off tomorrow. So huge. I'm just so excited about this. This is awesome. Let me show you guys one thing, kind of a fun thing. This little South Bend of mine, it's a South Bend dual disc in there right now. And you guys are gonna see soon what we're gonna replace that with. But this, that right there is a noisemaker. Holy cow. I wish there was a way to grease those like a big truck, but anyway, it's out. It's going in the mail. Exciting things are coming. And I don't even know what to say about it. I'm just really excited for it to come back so I can go over with you guys what we actually did to it. And then pair that with the clutch. Might do a few things while it's out. Obviously, you know, if you guys can tell under there in these videos, it's not clean. We're not as professional as some of the other channels out there, so we're gonna do a few things. We might change it. Well, we're going to change the rear main seal while it's out. Maybe stop that leak. Those are pretty notorious on these rear mains. I was gonna look into a clock ring or an indexing ring for the transfer case because, well, one, the rear output shaft seal, I've changed it a couple times. I can't get the seal. So I don't know why I'm on the ground talking to you guys. So I was thinking about changing that, but I don't think I'm going to. I might later down the road if we need be, but it is what it is. The only good thing about the indexing ring would be it would throw the transfer case back. I think it's between 1/4 and 1/2 inch, I think, which would set that yoke into the output shaft seal more. But I'm worried about what it would do with the input shaft between the output of transmission and the input of the transfer case. So I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, guys, I think that's it for today. I'm not gonna bore you with, you know, getting it ready for shipment, you know, strapping it down. You gotta make sure it's empty. I gotta get the main mount off. Everything else, you know, shift fork, sensors. Anyway, that's where I'm gonna leave it you guys today. I want to thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. stay up on this one. This one's gonna be fun. It's gonna be about hell, I don't know, maybe a month, maybe 4 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. But in that time, we do have some things coming. We're gonna, like I said, we're gonna change that clutch. New one hopefully will be here next week, if not the week after. We still have the gauge set up to put on. Perfect time to do it. Truck's not going anywhere. We can take our time with that. There's just a lot of things. And then Don's back there. You guys have been following along with that. That's pretty fun. You know, there's a couple things we're gonna do. The thing rubs like a mother, man. But that's a subject for a different video. Again, sorry about the ramble, but I want to thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.